Now we're out here. I haven't made a video in a very long time, and there's been a few reasons for that. One of them is we bought a house and we just got moved into it, and it can really occupy your time, and doing that along with having a full-time job has been taxing, stressful, trying to learn new rules for a full-time job and not being used to working full-time in a while. Most of my full-time jobs have been quick, short-term stuff, but then you get sidetracked with stuff like this. So it's kind of easy to, you can see my dilemma. Any free time I got, I'm spending at places like this, and I don't feel like doing much video. But anyway, come along with us. I'm gonna give you a quick update because you just entered the coolest life. Taking it easy. So I got this job as a assistant manager in an RV park, and it's not a bad job. I actually enjoy the work. It's not without its difficulties, that's for sure. And the my struggle comes with trying to do things around the house, because the strange thing is we moved out of the RV and into the house, and the problem with that is a lot of times when you move, you box everything up, and then you so you box everything up, and then you take it to the point B, and then you unbox. The situation here is we went from pulling the RV up in front of the house, and we didn't box anything up, we just unloaded. So you get little piles of things all over the place, and you're trying to find stuff, and it takes you a little while to find those things. We've been in the house almost, I guess, right at 2 weeks, and we've still got things. We're 70% through everything, but we're still trying to get home inspectors and engineering inspectors, because I'm getting my loan through VA. They require a whole lot more to get a loan through VA than other loan companies do. It's not just about your credit, it's a whole lot of stuff. So we're trying to get through all that, and that's been trying. And all of our free time, as I mentioned, we're trying to come to places like this, which are nearby. We're trying to learn that so that whenever people come see us, we can bring them here. So that's always cool. We want to explore all the beaches in the area, so we can say, hey, what kind of beach do you want? Do you want this beach? Kind of be this, that kind of beach? Do you want shops, or you want restaurants, or you just want to be alone, out by yourself? So we're kind of doing our best to explore all the beaches as much as possible, not just one time, but give them a good go, once or twice, to see which ones we really like. And some people like crowded beaches. They just do, because they like the activities, like the people watch. But sometimes you don't want that. Sometimes you want peace and quiet. And so we're doing our best to find some of those beaches and just to look some of the way they're laid out, parking and everything else. So we're trying to do the best we can with that. But I wanted to go ahead and put this video out just to kind of get you updated on that. I'm going to be doing a video of the house soon. I've got a few videos of before we moved in, and I want to do some that once we moved in, kind of give you a tour of that, and maybe sit down with you and tell you some reasons why we bought down here in Florida and not someplace else, and why we bought this kind of house. And it's a different kind of house, and it's really something we were looking for. But anyway, I'm gonna let you go right now. So be sure to like and subscribe, because stay tuned for our next coming video to give you an update of what's going on. Because I'm just out here living the coolest life.